Boniface Kariuki no arathi na mbere na kurigitwo kuria Kenyatta National Hospital na kurerikana ati ni ekitwo surgery igiri but bado ndari aracoka fiti. It is being said that hakiri brain ya mundu ikoragwo out of 15 units. I'm assuming dio ine 15 what, but out of 15 kuratuika ati hari Boniface Mwangi itigarite 2 out of 15. His chances of surviving are very low, and it is being said that dage survive agerutwo life support machine ni koguo. It is clearly showing that muturire wake riu kuma tha ici forever and ever egutura machine ni. It is a very sad story actually. Kwirorera one of the people daumirite maandamano aumirite kwendia mask just to earn a living. Muturire wake ugicenjia just like that, na kuringana uria kuhana, it is very difficult for the family right now, very difficult. Muthenya wa muthe ni tuonire one of the ways by the police gukorwo makihoreria family. Munene wa Borithi Central ni makorirwo magithi gukorwo magicerera family ya Boniface Kariuki na makorwo magi comfort family yo, wakawish Boniface Kariuki quick recovery. What an irony. But anyway, ugo niguo maundu makihana tha ici. We are still hoping that Boniface Mwangi ne ko recover na ne gukorwo fiti, but from the look of things it is very difficult. Na tha ici ni kurakoretwo na story some time ago family kiaria na makiuga ati they are not seeing any response in Boniface Kariuki. Na penye imefika, I think it was an uncle or a cousin augaga ati afadhali tu tuambiwe tu kweli tu vile kunaendelea, because to some point you might think that you might have the thought that mamuigete under life support just to cool the pressure, adu makoro makihorera makimenyaga efiti
atingetagezagi atire twaria nange rwakora imenyaga kanari o kanari no tiniaria nake. Itotethereria inga thirikari mamuriria kenga na tevetime yari na monga. Itotethereria iti.
I understand you also have some knowledge in the medical field.
Yes, please.
Yes.
The brain was severely damaged. That is one thing I have to say. The left side of Karanja can never come back to life. It is completely Kariuki. Sorry, the left side of Kariuki can never come back to life. It is completely dead. That's the bridge that I can say. And the brain capacity, according to the human brain, you know that a brain capacity, it's a 15/15 for a full human person. But for our family and our dear brother, it is at 2/15.
On the other side, mathiko ma Albert Ojwang no marathi na mbere na gubangwo na 2 million tuliona pale hivyo. Nyumba imeanza kujengwa, nyumba nira thondeko haria nene muno. I think Ishapita rental gwicira mubango ni riria president na Raila Odinga magagithie mathiko ku magakora nyumba indiku na niguo mibango irathi na mbere. But mzai wa Albert arauga ati mbia iria akenya makoretwo magicanga ndioi kurathi atia, tondu arathi kurora thimu-ini yake message ni ciraingira no athi kuruta mbeca citirauma. So there's clearly something going wrong. There's clearly something fishy going on there. Na akauga ati no ende gukorwo akiona clarity ya uria kurathi na mbere kuringana na mucango ucio.
So fellow Kenyans, hii message nataka nitume, and I'm not pointing out an individual, but I'm pointing out a certain behavior ambayo inaendelea. Baba Albert Ojwang amecomplain kupitia uncle ya Albert Ojwang, na uncle ya Albert Ojwang akashare the story with me. Saizi vile tunaongea niko kwa kina Albert Ojwang, ndio muamini ile ni nyumba ya Albert Ojwang. Baba ya Albert Ojwang ndio wale pale wako kwa mkutano. Inasemekana kwamba there is an intruder mwenye ameingia kwa account ya baba Albert Ojwang na ametoa pesa ile Wakenya walikuwa wamechanga ya sisi kwa sisi. 500,000 is missing. Besides that, pesa yoyote ambayo inaingia kwenye account ya simu ya baba Albert Ojwang kupitia M-Pesa yake bado inaendelea kutolewa.
It is like that. Bado na mzae wa Boniface Kariuki ni aregete gukoro agikonwo 200,000. And I think at some point tu Kenya tu unafaa tu kuwe tu mjanja tu. Ukwe tu mjanja tu kivyako. Pesa ikishafika kwa mkono yako, wewe jua tu hasa, wewe jua hiyo safety ya hiyo pesa iko kwa mikono yako. Toro ndogishagirwo ningi uke ugate bia nishie hiyo. Watu wamechanga 100 dhao nini maybe kivipi. Anyway guys, agikoro andu acio maraia mego kuna ni marona video ino, it is not right, but anyway ndiye maoni maku megie uhoro uyu. Police brutality na maundu macio marathi na mbere thaa ici, we condemn that with the strongest terms possible. The meantime, no tugiaterere tuone uria aguthi na mbere hari cira wa Albert Ojwang. Anturekire uko tukiona borithi Italam OCS wa Central, uria wari OCS wa Central na Japheth makithitangirwo mada, na then kesi itaendelea ikiwa kesi ya mada. Uhoro wa cira ucio na ne cira. Anyway, ni ndiye maoni maku megie uhoro uyu. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.
Atingetagezagi tutire twaria nake riu akoragwo imenyaga kana rio kana ndari tutire twaria nake. Oi, tuteithĩrĩria inga thirikari mamuririe kenga na ndĩmĩtime yarĩ na mongai. Oi, tuteithĩrĩria ini. Oi.
I understand you also have some knowledge in the medical field.
Yes, please.
Yes.
The brain was severely damaged. That is one thing I have to say. The left side of Karanja can never come back to life. It is completely Kariuki. Sorry, the left side of Kariuki can never come back to life. It is completely done. That's the bridge that I can say. And the brain capacity, according to the human brain, you know that a brain capacity, it's a 15/15 for a full human person. But for our family and our dear brother, it is at 2/15. Yes.